Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to keep your information private using EasyNotes. Open the app, then go to the three-line menu in the left corner on the top. Find Settings and then click on Lock, and first you will have to set a passcode, or I already have one, so I have to draw it. And now draw a new pattern, confirm, and we will have to redraw it. Yes, and you have to set a security question in case you don't remember your lock. So what is my favorite food? It is lasagna. Almost. Yes. Lasagna. Okay. And then enable the lock. So next time when you would like to open the app, first you have to draw your passcode. Hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.